विलेन ऑफ द प्ले। ये प्ले में सब कुछ, द गर्ल इज रेडी, द बॉय इज रेडी, लिमोबो इज रेडी, नत्याला इज रेडी, फादर इज रेडी, बट द ड्रामा, हु इज द मेन विलेन? कौन है इसका विलेन? हु इज द विलेन ऑफ दिस ड्रामा? यस, कैन एनीबडी से मी? Who is the villain of this drama? Here in the play, the hero is ready. Lemubo is ready. Natyala is ready. His father is ready. Time is ready. Everything is ready. But the villain is what? The villain is the mindset. The villain is the custom, the tradition, the mentality, the set of the mind that the Russian people were in. You dear friend, in fact, we are villain of our own thoughts. We turn something from bad to worst due to our mental attitude. In fact, we are mentally ill. Why I am calling that these kind of the people who creates situations, who creates difficult situations, they turn the situations in against them. Why? As we know that the molting, you might have heard the word molt, M-O-U-L-T. Molting is what? Shedding. As the bird sheds its feather, the snake sheds its skeleton. कवच को छोड़ना, केचुल को छोड़ना, शेड करना. तो molting is the process of the life. If we want to revive, if we want another lease of life, molting is important. From mold, the word molting. Molting is important. Molting, we need to shed our attitude. We need to shed the bad customs. The customs that allow us to be rough, to be impudent, to be arrogant, and to be argumentative. Here in this play, Natyala and Lemubo, they are agreeing. Their father is agreeing. But they were not ready to mold themselves. What they are not going to mold? Mold their attitude. Mold their attitude. When they met first, the noble purpose was the marriage. They came, Lemubo came to propose Natyala. But you see, as the drama progresses, the attitude, the custom, and the system and the set of mind became villain. They forget. They totally forget. They totally forget about the purpose that they met. In fact, Natyala was not aware about it. His father was knowing it. When the father informed, Natyala regrets. She regrets about the misbehavior. She shouts at. She was rather argumentative. But I agree that Natyala was not aware about the proposal. But Lemubo, he was aware about it. He came for that purpose. The mistake that he did, that he was not ready to mold. He was not ready to shed his attitude. He was not ready to shed his habits. They both were neighbors. They were good neighbors. Both were rich. both have lands. But why they were talking about the dispute? What was the reason of the cause about the dispute? After the marriage, the dispute may be settled by itself. Because both the families are going to be get relatives. So there will be no dispute at all. But unnecessarily, they keep on arguing about the dispute. Here the dispute, the oxen widow becomes the villain. But in fact, it was not the oxen widow that was the villain. It was their attitude. It was their set of mind. Particularly, whose mind? Lamomo's mind. And in the middle, Chibuko also joined. Then, Lamomo was dragged out. He was abused. He was called rascal, something like that. So you see, the villain was situation. The situation, who created the situation? The situation was created by the characters. The characters, Chivukos, the Mogos, Naphtali. They create a situation to be here. Why? Why they were? They created, it was due to their set of mind. And because they were not ready to mold, molting, shed. They were not ready to shed. And the tree, how the tree gets the new leaves? When it sheds the old leaves. So, the bad habits should be shed. So, that is what happened in this drama. So, here we have now come to the last paragraph of the story of the drama. You consider me either blind or fool. You must realize the squeezer is overshot. Now again they met. They start arguing. Arguing about what? Arguing about their dogs. Here the two breeds, the squeezer and the guest. They were the two dogs and they started arguing about the PT matter. They start. Now the dog became, the dogs became subject of dispute. Here you see. The dispute continues. Dogs. Now, remember, so half-headed already. So they start shouting. So on. Now come to the scene. Don't excite yourself, my precious one. Allow me. Your guest certainly has a good point. Who? Squeezer. Here the two dogs, Squeezer and the guest. And the two dogs are the squeezer and the guest. Squeezer. Owned by who? Natya. Who? Natyalia. And guest. Another dog, that is the guest. Lomo. So they were the two owners of the dog. And there you see. Squeezer overshot, he is not. Has well sprung the ribs and all. But my dream man, if you want to know the truth, the dog has two defects. He is old and short in muzzle. Excuse me, my heart, let us take the fact. You will remember that on the Morris Quincy hunt, my guest ran neck to neck, and count the dog, while Squeezer left the whole worst way behind. He got behind because Count whispered in the heat in the wish. And with good reason. The dogs are running after fox. When a Scooter goes to start worrying a sheep, no. It's not true, my dear. I am very liable to lose my temper. Again, Chivoko is going to lose his temper. Just because that, let's just stop arguing. You start because everybody is always jealous of everybody else dog. Here, everybody. Next. Everybody is jealous of everybody's dog. Everybody is jealous. Everybody is always jealous. Jealous of everybody else. Everybody is always jealous of everybody else's dog. You, yes, we are all like that. You too, sir. Are not the blameless? You no sooner begin with this and that the other all. I remember everything. I remember too. I remember too. What do you remember? My heart? My food gone to sleep? I can't. My heart? What sorts of hunter are you? You ought to be go and lie on the kitchen even and catch black beetles, not go out after the fox, my heart. You really, what sorts of hunter you are? You ought to sit at home with your palpitations, not to tracking animals. You could go hunting, but you only go to argue with the peoples. Yes, sir. Here the Chivoko, look at the behavior. How Chivoko is irritating Lumumba. He called him what? That here is the question. What short? Short is what? Kind. S-O-T short. Please note down. What kind of? We have two short. S-H-O-R-T short, matlab chota, small. It is S-O-R-T short. One short, another short, S-H-O-R-T short. That short is what? Shorting, separating, kind. What kind? What kind of a people? And short is a small, chota, a small, kind. Shorting is what? Separate. Separate. Here is so. What kind of a people you are? You ought to sit home with your palpitations and not go to the tracking animals. You could go hunting, but you only argue with the people and interfere with their dogs, so on. Let us change the subject in case I lose my temper. You are not the hunter at all anyway. Here, Chivoko want to finish the matter. Look at again, the villain is their attitude. I asked you before the teaching that who is the villain of this drama. Here you could see that their attitude, their state of mind is the villain of this drama. You are the hunter and you are a hunter. Again you see, both Lumumba and Chivokos are made of the same stuff. Both of them were not ready to shed their ego. You may call they were egoist. They were egoist. So ego is also their villain. The custom, the tradition, the ego, and the set of mind. The villains are what? The custom. Custom. The custom. The custom, the tradition, the Russian tradition, the Russian tradition, tradition of marriage, Russian tradition of marriage. Then the number 3, mental set of mind, set of mind, ego. These were the villains. Please note down, the villain of the drama is the custom and the Russian tradition of the marriage, set of the mind, ego, and their attitude, ego and attitude. These are maybe called the villain of the drama. Now here you see, again, you only go on hunting, getting with the court and intrigue. Oh my heart, you are in intrigue? What I am in intrigue? Shut up. Intriguer? What is the intriguer? Do you know what is the intriguer? Can anybody guess? Intrigue is what? Intrigue is what? Can anybody guess me? No. Intrigue is a trifle. Intrigue is a what? The enemy, the rivalry. Love intrigue, love rivalries. Yes. Boy pup, old rat. Boy pup. He is called the boy pup. Again, you see, they start abusing. He is called boy pup. The pup is puppy. Boy pup, and Chivako is called old rat. Here you see. Lobov is called boy pup. Pup is puppy. Boy pup. He is called dog. And Chivako is called old rat. Chivako. Chivoko. Chivokos. Who is called old rat. He is called old rat. Here you see. Again, I told you how their ego again clashed. They again start quarreling. A simple matter of dog, the squeezer and guess, gradually become so worst. It was why? It was due to their ego. It was due to their mental attitude. It was because they were not ready to mold, they were not ready to shed their traditions and the attitudes and the ego. Oh rat, shut up. I will shoot you like a pair of putties. You fool. Everybody know that, oh my heart, oh late my used to beat you. Lomovo, everybody know that, oh my heart, your late wife, now the dead wife. Again, she used to beat you. My feet temples, sparkles, I fall. And you are under a sleeper of your housekeeper. Sleeper, and you were beaten by the housekeeper. There, my heart burst. My shoulders comes off. Where is my shoulder? I die. Boy, milk shop, fool, I am sick. What sort of a hunter are you? You cannot even sit on a horse. What's the matter with him? Papa? Look, Papa. He is dead. I am sick. I can't be there. Now, he is dead. Ivan, what have you done to me? He is dead. Falls into a doctor. Oh, what is he? What's the matter? Oh, he is dead. Who is dead? So he is my word. Water, a doctor. Drink this. No, he does not drink. It means he is dead. All that. I am the most unhappy man. Why don't you put a bullet into your brain? Why haven't I cut my throat yet? What I am waiting for? Give me knife. Give me pistol. He seems to be coming round. Drink some water. That's right. Now, I see the stars mist where I am. Hurry up, get married. And well, to the devil with you. She is willing. Now, said, get up and marry. The devil with you, she will willing. She is willing and all that. Give you blessings, so on. Only leave me in peace. What's the tone? To whom? She is willing. Well, kiss and damn to you. He alive, yes, I am willing. So what's the weight of the shoulders of? Squeezer better. Here you see, my dear friend, the drama concludes after the marriage. Even after the marriage, Limavo and Nityalaya was again talking about the dog. The very argumentative continues. It is a humorous play, full of humor, and the characters of the play are typically representative of Russian people. Lomovo, Chibokos, Natala, they all are the representative of Russian people, and the play was written originally in Russian language. Later on, it was translated in English, and we are reading the translated form of originally Russian drama. The drama was very interesting. It was full of humor, and the main villain of the drama is the Russian marriage system and the set of the mind the Russian people have, particularly in the marriage. The third villain is the ego and the attitude. In the play we have seen that it was due to the ego that both Lemavo and Natala, and particularly his father, her father, Chiboko was a short-tempered man. He always loses his temper, and he time and again insulted whom? Insulted Lemovo, but lastly they agreed to marry. Now come to this is the what about the play. Now the play is the play that the character used to speak about each other, and the acquisitions of insult they heard at each other. We have seen that the words and expressions that were used, many words and expressions were used during the play to speak about each other. The accusations and insults, they accused, they insulted. What they did? They accused Here you can note down the accusations and insults, the accusation, ACC, you accuse, accusation, SATI, accusations and insults. Accusations and insults, they hurt at each other. Here you see the accusation, the accusations and the insult they hurl on at each other is the main villain. The words, the foul words, and even the angry words, they were fighting like a child. Nobody seems to be serious about the marriage, rather than they seems to be serious about the petty issues, about the disputes, about their egos and the attitudes. So here, all the accusations, the blames and the insult. It was Lamovo who he insulted Natyala. It was the father who insulted. It was the twice. When the matter of discussion was about the oxygen Mido, they were discussing. There again he was insulted and he was dragged out from the house. Again, Mr. Chuboko insulted him, and so many insulting words and accusations were hurled at each other. Now, my point is that if you feel that there is any sort of problem, regardless drama, yes, you are free to ask your questions. Please unmute yourself and ask your question. I am waiting for your question. Anybody else? The very drama, the proposal. What is the proposal? Proposal is what? If you propose somebody, proposal is what? If you propose somebody, agree to marry, you send a proposal, you send a request that I want to marry. So, you have muted, yes? No? You are not muted. Nobody is muted. I have not muted anybody. Okay, let me see. Where is the muted? No? Okay, I am unmuted. Okay. Now you ask. Ask your question. Yes? Please ask your question. I have unmuted you. Please ask your question. Anybody? Please ask your question.
Sir, no queries.
Why? Why no query? There must be some reason. So many things to be asked. Have you understood properly?
Yes, sir, we have understood.
Very good. But the attendance of the class is very poor. It's not good that some of you are not attending the classes regularly. Imagine the condition that we are coming to the school so that we can arrange the classes properly. You try to attend your classes regularly, my dear friend. It's a very poor thing that you don't attend